One warm-up lap and take their position down the grid for the standing start. The lights will come on, and the lights will extinguish to go for 69 laps down to Fuji Lebanon. So it's only loads of stuff feeling wheels off the grid by the mechanics at the moment. With the supply lights. Well, now to do a time for position. Yes, it's off you, Joe. I think we're going to have a great race, and I think there are going to be a few surprises by the end. Yeah, that'll have a great day. I think that Jordan will be in the front. My boss will say, we want to do that. See what it's together. Let's just see a stop stand on the back of the grandstand. I'm going to see it because it's already on the results today. I don't think it's going to be exactly what they're like. So we're going to have a little Friday,
personne, qu'il n'y ait eu aucun blessé là-dedans. Mais quel froissement de tôle! Il y a des sommes astronomiques qui ont été englouties dans l'espace de quelques instants.
Now, of course, in terms of the Drivers' World Championship, this is good news for Schumacher as he is moving ahead of David Coulthard into second place in the Drivers' World Championship with 34 points. Hakkinen still leading with 46. In terms of the constructors, the 1-3 finish by Ferrari, 14 more points, moves them up to 53. So they are getting a little bit closer to McLaren.
Oh yeah, I mean, obviously we knew we were close to the McLarens this weekend. I had a good race up to David's problem with him. I don't know what strategy he was on, but I was definitely faster, but there was no way to get by. And in the moment he broke down, it was obviously a good situation for me to score the full points and them no points to catch up in the championship.
Yeah, it's fantastic. I don't believe it because two podium, two second position in 2 races, it's fantastic. And for that I would like to say thank you very much to all the Benetton team, especially to my mechanics.
To the third place driver, Eddie.
Yeah, I was fortunate today. I was in the middle of the first accident but didn't get hit by anyone, and I was in the middle of the second accident, didn't get hit by anyone, but someone just cut my rear tyre, so I ended up having to pit, and lucky enough the pace car came out, so I was able to join at the back of that group without losing a lap.